Welcome to bexbugoutsurvivor Quick Tips. I'm going to cheat to cure a problem you may have encountered with your pack. Trying to pull down on the straps and it's not coming down low enough, that top lid, to hold everything down. I've pulled the strap to its full extent and still there is room on this lid. See the buttle there, and yet really I can surpass this to about there. So what do I do about that? What I do is look for a lower point of webbing. In my case it's a ladder on the pack. So I'm going to take this strap, extend it and feed it into that loop or webbing. So now clicking, pull down, taking the tension out here, and this lid is now more secure. It's pulled right down. Extend, find a lower point, snap back in. You can see how fast I'm doing this. So everything's been squared away, it's secured my kit. Everything is a lot more condensed. The larger pack will have two bottom cargo straps where you'd usually put a tent or a roll mat, and I can use the buttles off the lower cargo straps to secure to the top lid and pull that lid a lot further down, and then removing the spine rods from inside, say a 60 litre pack, will transform that with this trick into a 30 litre pack. So when you get to camp, you've got your 60, you've loaded out with your tent and sleeping bag. If you want to nip into town with a smaller pack, just take the rods out, use a lower anchor point to secure the lid, and you've got a much smaller pack to get your bits and pieces. Until next time, take care of yourself. See you out there. Happy trails.